for tuning in to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm coming on because I am going to do a flash giveaway of a 5 skein palette pack, the new ones. This is a retired pack that you see here. And the ones that you saw, I will be giving a winner one of those packs. Also, you will get a tote bag, the nice sturdy Wonder Tote. I love these bags. So let's cut to the chase and you can find out what you need in order to enter. You must be a subscriber of my channel. Please make sure I can see that you're subscribed to my channel. YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway in any shape or form. I will be purchasing this with my own money. You must be 18 years of older to enter this giveaway, and it is open worldwide. Just make sure that your country will allow you to receive this prize. I am doing a flash giveaway because I will be ordering from the Furls site. As long as Furls ships to your country, you can win. Now, if they do not, by chance, I can send you a gift card for the value of the prize. This giveaway will start today, which is the 28th of April, and it will end on tomorrow, which is the 29th of April at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will make sure that I put all the rules in the description box. Make sure you watch this video in full so you will know how to enter this giveaway. I greatly appreciate it. This is short and sweet. So what do you need to enter? Just let me know what palette pack you like in the comments. Also, you can put in a second palette pack that you like. So if you like more than one, fine. Just put your primary one first. And if it's available on the Furls website, I will make sure that I pick that one out for you and send it to you. So you will receive 5 skeins of Wander yarn and a tote. And it will be the new colors that they have available. Put that in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Stay safe. Have a blessed and glorious day, and thank you for watching.